What's up? So welcome back to my vlog. For today's video, it's a big night because later tonight it is our students night, our college night. So let's see about it. I am on my way right now to get a haircut and may pinabili sa akin si Mami. Bibili akong gamot niya and chicken sa Fresh Options. So on the way na ako ngayon dun sa venue ng students night namin. Ito nga pala suot ko, black long sleeve na turtleneck, black pants, tapos nasa likod yung coat ko na color navy blue. So that's my outfit. Right now I'm currently waiting sa friends ko and we'll be on our way dun sa venue sa students night namin. And ayun na pala sila guys. Ayun na po sila Boss Alex, tsaka si John Cedric.
Many hours later. Soon after.
Uwi na po. Uwi na kami.
Mico picture sana.
So I'm home guys. After ng students night, dumiretso kami sa Primero. So from Subic to SBMA. So ayan. That's it for today. It's tiring but sulit naman. And medyo maganda naman yung students night. Hi everyone, so today is July 2nd and it is Sunday. So it's church day. I'm already here in Olongapo. Dito kami nag-church. So dinanap ko na si Mami ko dun sa church. And right now sinusundo ko lang yung kapatid ko dito sa house ng lola namin. And yung isa kong kapatid na iwan sa bahay namin sa Castellaos dahil may sakit daw. That's it. Hi everyone! So tapos na yung church namin and right now nasa Ayala Malls, Harbor Point kami dito sa SBMA to take out some lunch.
Many hours later.
Can I talk to you about something? Sure, boy. What's on your mind? I was wondering, how important is it to be popular?
Glad you asked, son.
Hi everyone! So today is July 3rd and right now nasa Subic kami. And our first stop is at the Metro Bank. Sa Metro Bank na si Mami ko. And may naasikaso lang siya. So later pupunta kami sa Walter Mart para mag-grocery. And in the afternoon pupunta kami Olongapo dahil may gagawin daw kapatid ko at saka si Mami ko. So let's see. Hi everyone, so right now nasa Olongapo na kami and inopen ko lang tong Subaru dahil matagal nang hindi nabuksan.
Soon after.
dito po nakapark yung Mustang namin.
Takot kami, oh.
Primero.
Ano na, para masulit ko.